you struggle with painful periods, a period can be as painful as having a heart attack. This is what the research shows. Have you tried ginger tea? Ginger tea can help in 3 different ways. Number 1, because of its warming tendencies, it can help to regulate a cycle. Number 2, it has an enzyme to relax the muscle so that it can help you with period cramps, and it can also help you with fatigue. So just this simple solution of drinking ginger tea daily can help with all this. What I want you to do is I want you to go into your kitchen and grab about 1 inch of ginger, and you can slice it thinly, and then I want you to boil it with a cup of water, and then I want you to drink the tea for 2 to 4 cups daily till you get a regular cycle and till you no longer have painful periods. Just a simple solution to help you. Also, on our YouTube channel, we're doing a 30-day course to help you with your cycle. And what you can do is follow along with this acupressure tip that we're gonna do just for a minute. I want you to put your palms on top of palms, and then I want you to go ahead and do this acupressure tip. And what I want you to do, along with drinking 2 to 4 cups of ginger tea a day, I want you to do this acupressure tip 2 to 3 times a day for 2 minutes. And of course, I want you to get checked out by your physician. And when you become pregnant, then no longer needing to do this, but do this consistently a couple times a day for a couple minutes till you get 3 periods consistently, and those periods are no longer painful. This is a great way to help you on your wellness journey. No reason for you to have that pain, and also for you to have a regular cycle so you have more control and empowerment over your life. Just some friendly little tips from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tatavarthi.